Hello YouTube, welcome to another Mitsuhiro Arita Illustrator episode. This is coming out during the holiday season, and whatever you're celebrating, happy holidays 2022. And we're going to go with some kind of seasonal music from Diamond and Pearl while we jump into Secret Wonders. Starting off with Wormadam here. I do like the forest in the background. There's a little bit of impressionism in there, but not too much to say about this. Sunflora here. There's some interesting shadow work I'm seeing on the leaves. I really like the reflection on the leaves there, but it's just a nice simple card. Nice clouds in the background on that too. Venomoth. It's here. Good quality of work as usual. Rattata. There's some stuff on the binder page there. Rattata, kind of like Wormadam, it's a nice background, but I don't really know what else to say about it. And Ludicolo. Anyways, I love I love this card. I used to hate this evolution chain, but Arita and Kawaii made me like it a lot more. So there you go. Sao has a good one too. Skarmory here. This is an interesting scene. It's on a cliffside, lunging out at you, screeching at you there. I like the concept. Not a whole lot going on. This one I love. And in this set, this is Great Encounters that we've come into. There's a lot of snow and autumn colors here. A lot of autumn leaves in the background, and I really love that. Hariyama. Training, breaking some trees or something. Doing palm strikes on trees. Here's that snow with a mag car go. Ooh, that flame is translucent. You can see the shell through it. That's kind of nice. I wish the snow was melting since he is like the temperature of the sun, you know? That reminds me of the new Machoke card in this. Oh, okay. Oof, this one's so good. There's motion blur on the pendulum. This calls back to the Aquapolis illustration. Oh, so good. The background there with the trees and the cabins. Oof. So nice. That's one of my favorite all times, I think. This Wailord, really hard to find in reverse holo. At least a nice copy. And there he is. Just, he's gonna eat you. Granbull here, more snow. Oh look, there's footprints in the snow. See, this is why I look at this in HD. Damn my broken eyes. The trees in the background, so nice. I don't know about that face, but that's nice. Kingler here, now he's a snow crab. Looks like snow falling. That's what I'm gonna say, snow falling on the beach. That almost looks like it's made out of clay, just Kingler's face there. Really nice shading. And this Weedle. That face. We got snow, we got autumn leaves, and we got a Weedle sticking out there, just poking his head up looking at us. I just like this card. It's dorky, it's derpy, whatever. So nice. I believe this is a promo, either that or we're moving into Majestic Dawn. But dark right here, and I only now see he's got two hands and two little shadow balls out in front of him. That's what's going on in this illustration. Yes. And this Flareon doing what Mag Cargo should have been doing, melting the snow. There's a bit of reflection down there in the water. Those nice bare trees in the background. Good stuff. Anyone realize Eevee evolutions kind of look like aliens? They got those big opaque eyes. I just noticed that. Cresselia here. Very nice. This one is hollow because the Zapdos on the other side, which has like kind of a mirrored pose, is also a hollow. I like this Cresselia a lot. It's very nice. Drifloon. This one has Rusty's signature on there, on the sleeve. This was one of the last cards I needed for my collection at this time, and Rusty had it posted, so I bought this card from him, and I later got a sig from him to put on the sleeve. Like that one a lot. Simple, very nice. And this Zapdos. Oh, love this Zapdos. It's a thunder and lightning storm, and snowstorm. So if you've ever been in snow country, sometimes you get thunder and snow or lightning and snow, and it's weird, but it's really cool. This Zapdos is my favorite of the original legendaries because of the angles and the stark contrast, and this just nails it. Got some dust on there. I'm blowing that dust away. And it's the perfect ending for the video here. Thanks for joining me, and if you like what I'm doing, be sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Happy holidays, everybody.